Welcome dear student. Today we are going to start our 2.1 Try Again poem. We have seen already the warming up activities. Now we are going to start our poem Try Again. Try Again poem. Okay. Now I will going to read the poem. You have to listen carefully. Teach a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace, though we do not win the race. What should we do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward, try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Only keep this rule in view, try again. Okay, this is the poem. Now you have to read the poem silently. I will give you 5 minutes, okay? Okay, now these are the words meaning of try again. हीड मीन्स तवज्जो देना, कॉन्कर कामयाब होना, प्रेवेल गालिब आना, स्ट्राइव कोशिश करना, डिसग्रेस बेइज्जती, टास्क काम रिवॉर्ड इनाम, पेशेंस बर्दाश्त. यू हैव टू राइट 5 times in your notebooks and learn. Okay. Try Again is written by British poet William Edward Hickson. In this poem, he gives us message of don't give us hope, don't stop trying. Work hard continuously, patiently till you get success. In this poem, the poet gives us the message of don't lose hope even after you will fail and you will don't get success. Don't give us hope, try again and again, continuously, patiently, you will get success. Okay, now start with first 2 lines. Teach a lesson you should heed, try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. First here, teach means it is. It is a contracted form of it is. Okay. Teach a lesson you should heed. Heed means तवज्जो देना. तवज्जो देना. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. In this lines, poet gives us a message about life. That there is a lesson to remember, that is trying again and again. If you don't get success, you have to try again and again. Okay. Then your courage should appear, for if you persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again. The poet says that it is not possible to success in very first attempt. That no one gets success in very first attempt or in first time. Okay. So we should not get disappointed or lose our hope. So he advises that we should try again and again. Here preserve means यानी कि to continue in spite of difficulties or to trying till one achieve. Means we should try when we get success, till we get success. We should try again and again till we get success. You will conquer, you will Win, never fear, don't fear, try again and again. Once or twice, though you should try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. Once or twice means one time or two time or three time or four time. You have to try again and again. If you fail one time or two time, you will never lose your hope. You will never lose your courage. Try again and again. At last, you will prevail. Prevail means ghalib ana. You will win. Try again and again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. Though we do not win the race, what should we do in the case? Try again. Here strive means कोशिश करना. If we fail, we should not get discouraged. Rather, we should come with a new spirit with which we should conquer every fear in our way. Keep trying. If you may fail one time or two time or three time, you should not have to lose your race. If you try and you will never get success, it is not your disgrace. Okay, though we do not win the race, what should we do in that case? Try again. You have to try again and again, and at last you get successful. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. If you find your task is hard, means if a difficult work is there, you have to try. Time will bring you reward. If you try again and again, it is means that you have to win. You have to win the race, and the reward is yours only. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. At last, poet says that the pupil gets success and achieve goals. You also can achieve your goal. Be successful, but one rule keep in mind, that work continuously, patiently till you get succeed. Means here poet want to say that with patience, with continuous effort, and with trying again and again, one can win the task, one can win the race, and one can win his goals, achieve success. This is the rule that we have to keep in our mind, that we have to try again and again, and at last you will get success. Okay. W.E. Hickson. I hope that you will understand this poem very well. Thank you.